bullying me. And there she goes in her little marshmallow. Oh, must be so nice having a floating marshmallow that carries you around. Makes me want to sneeze. I need to sneeze so bad. She sickens me. She comes to show me her little marshmallow. It's a really cool looking marshmallow. I'm very jealous. I also want a marshmallow.
Ura.
I want a flying marshmallow! Especially if we're gonna be building in the sky! Big marshmallow. My jealousy is immeasurable. Thank you so much, Orangey. Thank you for 7 months. Bye bye, donkey. Hey, these. Do Crocs these when they're jelly? Yes, it seems to be the case.